Hello friends, this is Pradeep Shatikar and I am here with my new DIY project for DIY filtration project. This is an overhead sump which would be placed above my fish tank, and here I am using an rectangular shape potting plant window potting box, wherein I'll be catering, or I'll be trying to make a complete filter wherein the mechanical, biological and also a nitrate removing filtration system can be obtained, wherein I have drilled a hole here and attached an rib tubing which would serve me as an inlet tube. I'll be attaching this end of this particular tubing, rib tubing, to my power head, and this will be sitting above my fish tank. The power head would be pumping in water from the tank into the sump, wherein it would be entering, the water would be entering from this end and it would be traveling from this end to this end. Here I have drilled in around 3 or 4 holes, wherein it would serve as an outlet end of the for this filter, wherein you also would be needing this kind of drilled in, or kind of this kind of ventilated containers where I'll be using or putting the media. Firstly, I'll be using these kind of brick, clay brick pieces as a substrate, wherein I'll be planting a lot of plants which would help me to cater or reduce the nitrites in the water level. So I have many of these chunks here where I'll be just filling in these kind of media into it, and then I'll be planting these kind of small plants here into it, which would act as a seeding or a media place to anchor the roots of this plant, and eventually these plants will grow and produce or help me reduce the nitrate level in the tank. Filled in the entire basket with this kind of small big pieces, and I've planted a lot of Chinese bamboo plants which already have roots. So this filtration system or this aquaponic system would help me reduce the nitrite level in the water straight away. I need not wait for these plants to grow and eventually help me reduce the nitrite level, but these plants will help me reduce the nitrite level, or this particular aquaponic system which would help me reduce the nitrate level in my tank straight away from day one. So I'll be placing this particular chamber or container at the far end of this particular potting tray, which would help me, or else I'll this way. Okay. And then you will be needing one more of these kind of containers. This would house the bio balls or ceramic rings for biological filtration. So I have these kind of ceramic rings which would help me develop the aerobic bacteria, which would help me reduce the degrade the ammonia and convert the ammonia into nitrites and nitrites into nitrates. So I have already stuffed this entire bag with this kind of ceramic rings. So I'll be placing this ceramic rings at one end of this particular bag and stuffing the remaining part with the sponge or the filter floss. So this is the filter floss that I'll be using to stuff this particular tray. This filter floss will act as an mechanical media to polish the water Now half of this tray is filled with biological media and half of the tray is filled with the mechanical media. Water would be pushed in from this end, the water would be cleaned, all the debris would be caught by this filter floss and it would flow here for the biological part. So the biological media would get a clean, mechanically filtered water which would contain ammonia. This particular media will convert ammonia into nitrites and nitrites into nitrates. The nitrates will then be eaten up by these plant roots and these will grow and this will act as an aquaponic system where plant will benefit and grow from the nitrite from this particular project, from this particular fish tank. Using this particular right here. And for larger debris, I have a lot of sponges which are lying around. You can use this kind of sponge with large porosity which can be stuffed here. These are all sponges which are lying around in my house, so no additional cost. And now you can see how this would work. The filter, the water would be pumped from here, enter this particular chamber from here. It will hit this particular sponge. The large debris would be caught here. Then finer debris would be caught by this filter floss. Then the clean water will enter the this particular side of the chamber. It would be biologically filtered. Again, the ammonia and nitrite would be removed, which would be converted again into nitrates. Then nitrate filled water will enter this particular chamber. This is the aquaponics chamber, wherein plants have been planted with the media in that. This is the brick media, heavy chunky brick media, which will help cultivate the anaerobic bacteria, and also plant will consume nitrates and actually deliver a very clean water without ammonia, nitrites or nitrates. This will eventually reduce the water changing frequency in your tank. So if this system properly works or functions, you may end up having an fish tank which would never need a water change. So that's what the idea is. So let's connect and see how does it work. This is how it would be looking above your tank. So this is my power head here. It is an intake tube here, down here. The water would be pumping from this end to, and it will be pumped out from the top end there. So let's see how the aquaponic system or overhead sump works in this particular tank. I have already arranged 3 wooden bars here to set or arrange my aquaponics tray, and this is the lighting system which would help me light the aquaponics system and help me grow the plants there. So let's plug in and see the entire system fire. This is how it looks here. The water would be coming from this particular tube, entering here, getting filtered by the mechanical media and the bio rings or the ceramic rings, and then the nitrates will be filtered by this economic system, in this particular last chamber, and then would be exiting these tubes and entering the tank. If this particular system works, you'll have a filtration system which would help you reduce the water change or completely eliminate the water change. So I fired in, water is coming in, and you can see water is coming in. It's filling the system. It eventually will travel this particular sponge, then hit this particular mechanical media, then travel to this particular ceramic rings, and then hit this grow bed of plants, which would complete this aquaponic system and complete overhead sump. See, the water is coming out. Eventually water will raise and the entire media would get submerged. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye.